Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to break down DS software for eBay dropshipping. We will cover the top 4 essential steps to automate your eBay dropshipping with DS software. Setting up an account, connecting your eBay store, configuring supplier and listing product efficiently. My goal is to help you understand how to use DS software in a way that feel approachable and easy to use. So to get started, you need DS software account and I recommend to use my affiliate link inside the description to sign up. So here you can see we have almost 14 days free trial. I have to click on get started, and here I have to select eBay and just click on continue. Now here we have packages. We have an annual and monthly. So for monthly there are a starter package that include 400 listing, mean that the DS will monitor your 400 listing for $23. So I have to just click on starter, and now I am going to give all my card information. So once I did that, then we will come to the second point, which is how we can add our store with DS. So let's proceed. Alright, so once you give all your card information, you will link to this dashboard. You have to click on view store, and I already added to store. Now let's click on add store and just select eBay. So I have to click on continue, and now here we have eBay target. So if you are working in the US, select United States. If you are working in the Germany, United Kingdom, you can select anyone. So here we have none API, and the none API mean that you are not going to connect your eBay store just because you are a full beginner, your account is new, and you are thinking that my account might get flagged if I connect my account with a third party with an DS, but still I want to get the benefit of an DS like monitoring stock, auto ordering and much more. So then you have to go with none API, otherwise API is okay. So you have to click on finish option, and now you will land to your eBay store. So just you have to give your store password, and then you have to allow DS in the eBay that yeah, I am going to connect, or allow DS in my eBay account. So once you finish that, now it's time to configuring a supplier. So I will open DS software again, and now I am going to come to the third point, and that is the setting. So here we have to set a supplier, and I have to click on add supplier. And remember, the second point is so easy, just give the password and just allow DS. That's all. Now the supplier, so let's say my supplier is let's say in this case AliExpress, and the United States, and you can select for Amazon as well. Here we have Amazon, so let's check if we have Amazon here. We already select Amazon is here. So United States, so that is okay. So it means that now I am going to add a supplier for United States, and my supplier is Amazon and recommended setting. So I have to click on add supplier, and now we have some setting, so we have to set all the setting. So by default product quantity mean that whenever you list a product, so the product quantity, so that is 1. So it means that when you list a product, there will be 1 quantity. Let's say I want to write 10. It means that whenever I list a new product, there will be 10 quantity in that product. So let's say I want to have 2 or 2 quantity, 2 pieces in my each product. Then we have by default country, so that is United States, which is okay. If you are working in the UK, just select United Kingdom. Here we have a zip code, which is simple, easy shipping method. So I will select the fastest shipping with tracking number available. Here we have default template. So AutoDS has some template that you can use for your listing, and let me show you. So whenever you go to another point, you have to just click on save option, and then let's come to the template, and here you can see just select the eBay, and here we have these template. They are free and they are from the AutoDS software. So let's say I want to use this one, so I will click on add and I will give a name test video. So I give a name and just click on duplicate template, and that's all. Now I will come to the supplier again and make sure this is Amazon. If you are working in the AliExpress, so then you have to select AliExpress. So I will come to the Amazon US, and I was here in the default template. So now I will select the test video, and here we have use dynamic policies. So here you can see these are your policy that you set in the eBay, and if I select this option, now I am going to use the AutoDS policies. AutoDS generated or created some policies. So for all those users who don't know how to create policies in the eBay, so simply you can use these policies, otherwise your policies is okay. So then we have the advanced lister setting. So here you can see allow duplicates, so this is not okay. Add categories to tags, upload variations. So if your product contain variation, like you are working with AliExpress and your product contain variation, just select this option also, otherwise this is uncheck. Allow OOS variation, so you have to uncheck this also. Capitalize title, this is okay. Apply watermark, you have to select this one. Duplicate main images up to 12, this is not okay, just unselect this one. Split variants into products. So again, if your product contain variation and you want to split all the variation in products, just select this option also. Allow marketplace sellers a private listing, allow zero block keywords, so you can select this one also. Like in the title there is a word like important word Amazon. So whenever there is a word Amazon, so that listing will not be listed on your store because you select this option. Or another brand name, there are more brands like Grainers, this is a brand. So whenever you write a Grainer word in the title, so AutoDS will not list that product because you allow a zero or block keyword in the setting. So you have to unselect this option, and here we have to select both of them. So AutoDS will monitor all your stock and also your prices. AI title, I am not going to recommend this because they are paid. You have to buy credits for these. So you can use simple Chat GPT, AI bot, and Meta AI, and get AI title. You can get title with those AI bot, and here you can see also the AI description. Here we have the item specific. So this means that let's say I want to add this item specific brand. So I write let's say grand mark, and I add this item specific. So it means that this item specific will be present in my every product because I added this item specific. So I have to delete this one. I am not going to use this option. I will come to the pricing, and this is very important. So I like this option a lot. Now here we have the fees. So the fees is that eBay cut whenever you sold a product. So I mostly set for 15%, and the eBay the fee in amount, so that is let's say 0.50 instead of 0.30. And then we have the additional profit. So you can write 50%. So then here you can check the graph, like if your product cost $100 and there is a 50% profit, and 0.30% is the amount fee. 0.30. We select here 0.50. Okay, so here we have the 15% fee and 0.50% fee, so the total should be 138.83. So, and you can see this 0.30 is actually this one, additional profit in pound. So I mostly write here $1, so then it will be changed. It means that your product cost on Amazon $100, and there is a 50% profit plus £1 extra profit, and the fee is 15% plus 0.50 pennies. So the total cost should be 139, but I don't recommend to use this one. I mostly use the dynamic profit, and this is suitable for drop shipping. Mean that now you will understand the product that is between 0 to 5. So I want to have a 50% profit and £1 profit. And then the second rule is the product between 5 to 10, mostly 5 to 10 I will write. In that I should have 40% percentage and almost 0.50. And then the third rule should be the product. I remove that one, so let's add again. So that is a 40%, and here 0.50. That is okay. Now let's add the third rule, and that is up to 30. So I don't know, I write everything okay, and here it is not working. So 30, it's okay. So let's remove this rule and add a rule, and from 10 from above to 10, so there should be, let's say, 30% profit, and here 0.50 again. So that is my rule. I add one more rule here, but that is not working. No problem, you can add that later. I show you the process. And here we have set price cents value, so that is offer and including shipping price. So we are giving the free shipping, so you can check this option. Then we have the order, and if you are using the AutoDS fulfillment service, you have to check this option. AutoDS provide this service that AutoDS can buy product for you. Mean that let's say you are working with Amazon and you got one order, so AutoDS can buy that product for you and can ship that product to your customer. But that is a paid service, and you have to select this option. And let's say you have your Amazon buyer account, and still you want to use AutoDS. What you need to do is simply just check this option, and then you have to add your buyer Amazon account. So what AutoDS will do, simply AutoDS will place order automatically on your Amazon account. I hope you people got point. And we have a hip shipper. So then here you can see learn how AutoDS integrate with hip shipper, boosting and automating your international sale. So I am not going to use this option. Override customer phone number, no need. Mark order as delivered, no. And ship status, so ship is okay. And convert Amazon shipping carrier only to this one. So AutoDS also offer this service that AutoDS convert the Amazon tracking number into Equiline tracking number or Blue Care Express. eBay does not allow the Amazon tracking number. You have to convert that tracking number to into another 3PL service, into third-party logistic. That might be Blue Care Express or Equiline tracking number. So if you are using AutoDS software, here you have have to select I want to convert all my Amazon tracking number to Blue Care Express. So now whenever I got Amazon tracking number, AutoDS will automatically convert that AMZL tracking Amazon tracking number into Blue Care Express. So then you will have no problem. Then the maximum purchase order price. So maximum purchase order price, that is 500. Maximum loss is 5. And then you can read this one also, this one also. These are not important, and these are the gift message. So whenever a customer buy product from you, AutoDS will send this message to your customer. And then we have the feedback. So I'm not going to open this one because sometimes it create a problem, like sometime your product is delayed, and AutoDS message to your customer that and that is a an exceptional, we will go to business with you again. Yeah, that is this option. So sometime your product is delayed, and your product is not delivered to your customer, and AutoDS leave a positive feedback to your customer. So your customer is shocked that I haven't received or get my product, and I receive a feedback that I want thanks for your purchase and this and that, and we want to work again with you. So your customer leave a negative feedback that I haven't received any product, and I already received a feedback. Why? So that's why I am not going to check this option, and I am going to check this option also, because whenever a customer place an order, AutoDS will send a message to your customer that thank you for your order and much more. You can also customize this message by clicking this edit option, and you can customize this one. So then we have the another option, that is tracking number available. So whenever the tracking number is available, so whenever Amazon give you a tracking number, so AutoDS will send a message to your customer that your order is in process, and here you can read the message. And then we have the order was delivered. So whenever your customer receive the order, AutoDS will send a message to your customer that we are happy to working with you, and we want to work with you again, and leave us a 5-star positive feedback. And you can edit this option, this message, according to your need. Then we have your unique tracking email. I don't recommend this one. Just come to the general setting, and that is the last option, default weight unit, that is LB, automatic SKU filling. So if you have more product, you are working with AliExpress, just check this option. Otherwise you can uncheck this option. Maximum product quantity, so this is important, remember. So it means that whenever there is one quantity left on your supplier, so your product will be out of stock on eBay. So you can write 10 also, like you can tell to AutoDS like whenever on Amazon the product quantity are 10, so just make my product out of stock on my eBay store. Then we have the maximum shipping days. So that is also simple, like this option mean that your product now Amazon ship in 6 days, and now that rise to 2 months. So if you select here 30 days, your product will be automatically out of stock. And then we have the prime first and cheapest first. So the prime first mean that in Amazon there are also drop shippers. So here if you select prime first, mean that you are buying the Amazon product, you are not buying from the third party. So prime only if you select, so you will just buy product from Amazon, not from third party, not from drop shipper in Amazon. Because if you are placing order using AutoDS, you select this option or this one. So then if you select prime only, so AutoDS will buy product only from Amazon. So that was our third point, and now let's come to the fourth part. Alright, so in a fourth part we are going to learn how we can list product efficiently. So I have to click on add product, click on single product, and now here I have to paste my supplier URL. So I am going to list this product, and I have to just select this URL and paste that URL here and just click on edit now. You can directly publish to your store, but I recommend to edit that product before you publish to your store, because sometimes there are problems like in the title, in the description, and much more. So you will understand in a couple of seconds. So let's check and just wait to the R2DS. So R2DS will grab this product and then we will edit this product. Alright, so the first thing first is a title, and now we have to select a title. So in this video I am not going to include how to create title and description and picture. If you like, so just write in the comment section. I will create another separate video on how to create an SEO title, description, item specific and picture and much more inside the R2DS software for our eBay listing. So let's say up to here I will select and now let's delete some extra words also, because here we have 80 characters only. Then we have the category, so R2DS automatically select this category, which is okay. Then we have the tags and we have shipping method, the cheapest, so we have to select the fastest, and here we have the use dynamic policies. We already discussed these option in the setting. Then here we have the brand, so if you want to write your brand name you can write, otherwise you can leave this option, and make sure these all are checked. Okay, auto order, price monitoring and stock monitoring. So then we have the description, and here we have by default the testing to template is selected, which is okay. You can select another one also like a test video. And then we have the variants, and you can also edit this description. So we have the variants option, and you can delete or add variant. If you click on add variant, just here paste a variant URL or ID, then that variant will also be added here. Then we have the images. So here this is a main image, but I am going to use this image, and here I have to click on share and I have to click on download, and the page is 135, and just click on download option. And now here I have to add this image, so I can add this image using URL, and I can also click on upload image, and now just double click on this image. So I have to click on set as a main image, and now the item specific. So this is very important. So here you can see if you want to delete any of them, so just click on this delete option, it will be delete. Let's say you want to add another item specific, click on add item specific and write like item weight number. I will just write this one, and I will write like 8 kg just for example. So you can add that one also, and let's say I want to delete this one also, so you can delete. You can also edit the existing one, like I want to edit active ingredient. So I have to click on editor, and I want to, let's say, delete this one, and just click on tick option, and that's all. So once everything is done, just click on save and import, and now this product will be listed on our eBay store. So we have to just wait for a few seconds, and then we will see what happened. So let's wait together and then check the result. Alright, our product is live now on our store. So here you can see the profit is 1.80 in this product. So I have to just click on this eBay ID number, and here you can see this is our product. So here you can see our title, our picture, and here we have the item specific, and this was the template, that we use for this product. So I hope you people got point. I hope you people learn how to set up an AutoDS account, how to connect your eBay store, how to configuring supplier or how to set up suppliers, and how to list product on AutoDS. So if you people like this video, just hit the thumbs button and make sure to use my affiliate link inside the description. It will help me a lot. Thank you. Until next video, take care of yourself and wait for the next video too. Thank you.